students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and I hope you all are doing very, very good. Okay, so I'm again here with the subject math, and the chapter we are learning is subtraction within 100. Now take out your books and take out page 64, word problems. On page 64, again today we are doing word problems. Solve the following word problems in your notebook. As previously we had done with A, B, C, D, so the last one is remaining E. Ahmed made 92 runs. Ahmed was playing something and he has made 92 runs. Rehan has made 45 runs. Ahmed and Rehan both are friends, it means. So how many more runs does Rehan need to equal Ahmed's score? Now first you will do the calculation. Ahmed made 92 runs and Rehan has made 45 runs. So write tens and units. 92 minus 45. You cannot take away 5 from 2 because 2 is smaller than 5. So you will borrow one number from 9. When you will borrow one number from 9, so then you will write 1 with 2, it will be 12, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So start subtracting from the units. Start subtracting from the units. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Yes. Now you have to do like this. Ahmed made 92 runs and Rehan has made 45 runs. So, first of all, you will take away 5 from 12. Then the answer would be, what will be the answer? The answer is 47. The answer is 47. So 47 more runs Rehan need to equal Ahmed's score. Rehan need to equal Ahmed's score. Rehan को Ahmed की equal आना था. Okay, so he need 47 more runs. So then he will be equal to Rehan. Okay, then the score will be equal. Now we will recapping again A and B as well. Sana has decorated the room with 48 balloons. Sana has decorated the room 48 balloons. Maybe it's some party or maybe it's someone's birthday. So what Sana was doing? Sana has decorated the room with 48 balloons. And 25 balloons burst. How many balloons are left? How many balloons are left? Burst. फट गए. So from 48 balloons, 25 are burst. So first we will do the calculation. Sana has decorated the room 48 balloons and bursted balloons 25. Bursted balloons were 25. Write tens in units. 48 minus 25. Okay, now 8 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3. 8 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3. And 4 minus 2 is 1, 2. 1, 2. So, how many balloons remaining? 23. How many balloons are left? 23. So, while Sana has decorated the room with 48 balloons, out of which 25 balloons burst, so the remaining balloons are 23. So 23 balloons are left. 23 balloons are left. Very good. So, are you writing with me? Are you doing the work? You are having the sample copy. You can see this sample copy and then you can do in your copies. Now B. A farmer sells 28 goats from his herd of 36 goats. It means a farmer has 36 goats, out of which he sells 28 goats. So how many goats are left with the farmer? How many goats are left with the farmer? We have to find this out. Now how we can find this out? First write, farmer sells 28 goats from his herd of 36 goats. Now write tens and units. First we'll start from the units. Can you write 36 minus 28? Can you take away 8 from 6? No, because 6 is smaller than 8. So you will borrow one number from 3. Borrow 1 from 3. So then it will be 16. And 3 minus 1, the remaining left number is 2. So now you will subtract 8 from 16. So the answer will be 8. The answer will be 8. And now look the tens. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. 0. 2 minus 2. 0. So 8 goats are left with the farmer. 8 goats are left with farmer. Okay? From his herd of 36 goats, a farmer sells 28 goats. So 8 goats are left with farmer. 8 goats are left with farmer. I hope you all understand. Now review all the sums A, B, C, D and E and do it in your notebook. We'll meet in the next class with the new topic, with the new subject. Till then, review the sums and do the practice of subtraction within 100 from page 64. Thank you. Bye-bye.